as Jamaicans, it is natural for us to just reason. Yeah, man, sit and have a chat and all the vibes, most naturally. Yes, man. But none of the things them we say from time to time, we don't mean it. Yeah, man, it's just for fun and games, you know. So let's come lend a listening ears. Yeah, man, this is how we do it a yard, you know. It's a blessing, real blessing. Up on the road today, yeah, man, and passing by the fun till Ford and so. I figure more or less I just catch you all a clip, let you all see the place, you know. Yeah, man, country night prime, you know. Yeah, man, elders them up and about and them do them best in regards to the road, you know. Yeah, man, so time to come, we're gonna have pretty asphalt. Yeah, man, but just come a yard, man. Bring a family, bring a friend. This is Jamaica Yard Life 101. Up and about daily. Stick around. Run condo a few errands, grab a few things for the shop. So you know me have to show you all around, so come a yard, man. Show you what I go on, you know. It's a blessing.
From this film, I don't know how him performance on this, how far in it reach, you see me? Yeah. But when I say, I'm a book Canada, you used to go and you couldn't do nothing at all. Not even letters the man never know. To show your body what.
True.
You understand what I say?
And no for them book up when I help see him right now we need them.
It's not a shame, no, brother.
No, sir.
The shame is, you know, I went to know say the weakness and I willing to get help in a shot. They say shame coming, you know.
Yes, so it coming.
If they come like you have gone away to us, you know, and go that.
Already? For then chill spot that run or so. Mommy there. Pretty. Gary run a corner. So you must scope out the place. Proper. Solid. Gary, you don't have fix the pipe. You don't have fix the pipe. I'm fix up there, so. Eh? I know. But you know, sort out the place, but. Yeah. How for banana this jokey? Whole heap of food their country now. Look at that. Blessings, man. Very not easy now. It's already, man. A video, me a video now. You put him back here now, man. I have stress out the roaster. He look fat, Gary. A long time I have him in there. In sport tall, man. A long time I have him in there. He not strike then, man. He not strike. You have got to eat him and put one young one in there. Country prime. Something for the pot, you know? Yeah, man. I just be. Yes. I carry it around a yard, you know? Very easy now. No problem. Book up on stone. Oh, you level it off?
Yes. I stand it off after a while. But then said, just take out the work out because them 4 types run now.
Yeah.
I'm going to take you on the board. What you going to do? I'm going to do it go fight.
What you say?
Now what you going to do?
No problem, no, it's a woman with the run.
You can't have a living here, come here with it.
They be out there with the woman, not me, no, me love her, man. You got it? I'm going to try what you tell. What do you mean?
I'm going to get it for it.
Me got it for me, not no more good, me not one already.
What you not come for?
What?
What you not come for?
Sorry. Oh, I'm burying in a box, I'm burying in a Jamaica.
You're very not good.
Tell me, let me come from. You don't come from a box. You want me to start there, I know why you out there tough, you know.
What?
You want me to start there, I know why you out there, you know.
Don't go on tonight.
Where?
I'm not doing it tonight.
You know how we come to that, I'm not get already.
Well, you're not getting me rolling today.
Eh?
You're not getting me rolling today.
I mean, me come much in night all tight, so you're not right.
You're not getting me rolling.
You know how you miss me?
Huh?
I miss me. It just says me come back.
Joe, be easy. Joe, I can't, Gary. This is yard. Real yard life. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. Yes, man. And remember, walk with the Most High every time. Greetings, one and all. You know me already. Ever up and about, Yes, man. But from the other day, I've been like extremely busy. Yes, man. So I'm always trying my best to find some time for you all. Yeah, man. I'm never too busy for you all. Yes, man. All I want you guys to do is just stay safe, get up, get out there, and keep doing the right thing. Yeah, man. And remember, like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more of these contents or you want to see more of yard. Stick around, man. This is just a tip of the iceberg. Walk safe. Yeah, man, they are yard. Yeah, man. And it's a blessing, real blessing. But funny enough, I was taught a few life lessons from a kid growing up. Yeah, man. 3 parables, I'd say. Or, 3 famous saying, but they are their way. Normally, we never know what they mean until, you're growing up and getting a little bit older. Yeah, man. But, number 1, them always say, ask a girl up and don't know him back foot ago. Yeah, man. Number 2, them always say, empty barrels make the most noise, most naturally. Number 3, fire, they are most steal. And him think a cool breeze. Come on, yard, man.